Hey everyone, we're going to walk you through your assignment here in your classwork. So we are in your classwork packet, topic B, unit 3. We're going to get ourselves all the way to lesson number 10 here. So a little trip down memory lane. In lessons 7 and 8, we were putting items in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. We had a scenario section here where we were matching the phrase with the number line that's there. Okay, so here we go. So this does say lesson number 10 here, but we are skipping this page right now. So we are skipping it. So not what we are doing today. Here's our lesson number 7, our lesson number 10 that we're working on today. So if we look at what they're asking us to do, it says for each of the relationships described below, write an inequality that relates to rational numbers. Now remember, inequalities, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to, any of those guys. So 7 feet below sea level, wait. So that means it's a -7, all right, is farther below sea level than 4.5 feet below sea level. So what they're looking at here is, -7 is smaller than, or in other words, farther below. So again, writing an inequality relating to numbers there. 16 degrees Celsius, okay, well that's 16, is warmer than 0 degrees Celsius. Well, if it's warmer, that means it's bigger. So and 16 is greater than 0. So that's what they're asking for in that particular section. As we make our way further down the page, let's see if we get ourselves into something else. For each of the following, use the information given by the inequality to describe the relation on a number line. Okay, so remember, if you're on a number line, numbers to the left are smaller, numbers to the right are bigger. So -2/10, all right, is to the left of -1/10. And again, because it's smaller. So that's what they want to use. Think about words left and right. That's all they're asking you to do there. All right, so let's see what else we got going on here. Some more of your words and then fill in your blanks here. Okay, so integers. We got to keep in mind our definitions. So remember, integers are your positive, all right, or negative whole numbers. So because they are positive or negative whole numbers, we need whole numbers to use there. No fractions, no decimals. So you've got to find 3 integers that are between those 2 numbers, and then don't forget to use your inequality symbols to make sure they're in the correct order. Okay, now this one says 3 rational numbers. So remember, this is positive, all right, or negative fractions or decimals, all right? We can even add in or whole numbers. So they can be any of those things there. Because you're between 16 and 15, between them, there's no whole numbers in between there. So these will be fractions or decimals there. So do keep that in mind. Question 14, again, rational numbers. 15, integers. And then at the very bottom, you're just putting these in order using the symbols there. So we can see we have less thans, so we're going to be from least to greatest. In question 12, we've got greater than symbols, so we're going to be in order from greatest to least. So watch for those particular items. So get these answers checked when you finish with them. But that's it. Enjoy.